Good morning, everyone. Pedro here with another live stream. Today is Thursday, September 29th. Just want to welcome you guys to the channel. As you guys could tell, obviously my voice is a little bit, deeper, and like I've got a stuffy nose, and I am a little sick right now. However, that doesn't stop me from coming live every single day for you guys. So I'm live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I was also live last night in London. I did mention I was going to be live for you. So I did come on for a bit. So yeah, if you guys are new, you're looking to take your trading to new levels. Yeah, you want to join a part of a community that is like family. Well, you've come to the right place because what we focus on here is being able to learn, being able to take our trading to new levels. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time we're live. That being said, guys, welcome to another beautiful trading day. It's Thursday, so we're going to take a look at the markets and see what kind of opportunities may arise. But yeah, we're going to start shortly, guys. Just give me 1 second here. I'm going to update the video description, and then we'll get started here. Yeah, it's not fun being sick. Okay, guys, we're just waiting for a couple more people to join in. We're going to begin shortly, so welcome. Super excited to have you. Welcome in, guys. We're going to begin shortly. Yeah, I wasn't joking when I said I was sick. I'm just gonna. Yes. Welcome in. Good morning, Chetan. Good morning. Morning, everyone. So happy and excited to have you guys here. We are going to begin with our live stream. I'm going to turn down the music here and let's dive in right off the bat. Okay, so gold, we were expecting gold to come actually down to this level. Remember, I told you guys that we were looking at gold actually potentially coming down to these lows. I actually created this highlighted area as an area where I said price for gold could come back down and pull back. And it's funny enough, it came exactly as predicted. I did say as well that we could have seen a price potentially come back up before here because it seemed like price was kind of holding this level a little bit, come back up, create some sort of a double top, and then melt down below. That was another possibility. But overall, I did tell you guys that, hey, I'm looking for gold to come back fully to this level of structure, the gold kind of pull back. So now what I'm looking for gold, it seems like on the 1 hour, we are holding this level of support. We are respecting this level of support. 15-minute, 30-minute, we can start potentially looking for gold. It looks like gold buy setups. Like we've got a double bottom here on the 15-minute. We broke above. We are holding this neckline. So, I mean, anything above this level of structure here, we can look for potential buy setups for gold. So anything above this level of structure, start looking for potential buy setups for gold, guys. Yeah, I want to see a close above. I mean, we would be kind of struggling around here, and then we would probably, once we break above this level, get a nice continuation to the upside. Let's see what kind of range we're dealing with here. So roughly around 40 pips, roughly about 30 pips. And then if we get a nice clean break above that, this ranging area here, then we can look to target the highs here, which is over 104 pips. So I just want to see gold push above this level of structure for a strong momentum push. Anything below these levels here, we're looking for sells. But to me right now, gold's looking like buys because like I said, we got the pullback we wanted. And I told you guys this last night, gold is going to come back down. It's going to retrace back down to this level of structure. This is kind of the level of structure I was looking at anyways. And price literally came exactly as predicted all the way down to this level of structure. And remember, I told you guys it'll probably pull back and then come back up to this level here. If we get a break above this level of structure here, then we start looking for nice clean buys. But again, like I said, I want to see that candle close above, at least like the 30-minute candle will close above. And then we're pretty much good for buys on gold. That's kind of what I'm looking at right there, guys. So let's move on. We'll keep monitoring gold. This is kind of what I'm expecting though. This arrow here. All right, let's move on. USD JPY. So like I said, guys, we were expecting USD JPY to potentially hold this level of resistance. Unfortunately, we didn't hold this level. So like I said, if price pierced above it, then that would invalidate any sell setup. So we did pierce above this level of structure. However, we are retesting this high once more 3 times. So to me, this is looking like potentially like some sort of a triple top, to be honest. Kind of looks like a head and shoulders pattern formation. But it's kind of looking like a triple top because like the head and shoulders is not really fully like I guess you could say head and shoulders. So we've got left shoulder, head, and then we've got the right shoulder here forming, right? So potentially I guess you could call this a head and shoulder pattern formation, but I want to see a break at least below, I would say, this structure level here. Ideally here for sell setups. Just to be safe, right? This is playing it really conservative. Like obviously, like even here, to be honest with you guys, if we go up to 15-minute, we can risk the biscuit here because it seems like even we've got a nice double top here, and if we break this neckline here, we can look for nice clean sells as well. Currently, like short term, right? This is long term. What I'm looking at for USD JPY, we can start looking for nice clean sells. But short term, do you see the double top formation here, guys? Let's go. Let's freaking go, guys. I'm feeling this already, man. Markets, lots of opportunities in the markets, guys. Double top formation here. We are on the higher time frame. Higher time frame, we see that huge resistance area here, the top here, the highs. So if we get a break of this neckline, I want to see break and retest, and then we can. Right now it's 7, so probably we'll see it break, and then we'll wait for that pullback and get it on sales and target these lows here. And then if we can see, Excuse me, guys. Like I said, I'm not doing the greatest, but like I said, this is like something short term. But hey, like you know what I mean. Lots of opportunity to make some money. Not that much, but at least we could catch around 26 pips, right? Only risking 10 pips. Something quick in and out, 15-minute time frame. We've got a double top, pretty much the right shoulder, pretty much a higher time frame. If we look at the 1 hour, 4 hour, we can see that this is a major level of resistance. You can see that price is at that major level, so that's a strong indication. We've got higher time frame, 4 hour major level of structure is rejecting 1 hour, same thing, right? Price has respected this level of structure multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 now, right? So we can pretty much assume that price is respecting this level of structure. And so we can start looking for potential setups, even sell setups, even if it's short term, even if price just comes down and then pulls back up, right? We can target these lows down here as a potential area where price will react. So take a look here, 30 minutes, just more cleaner. But yeah, see, we're getting that break. I can see USD/JPY pulling back down. Probably, to be honest with you, will probably melt to like around, potentially come down. Probably react around here. Probably like around this area here. And then it'll pull back, create some sort of push to the downside. Like, I mean, if you really wanted to and you're okay with not risking too, like, you know what I mean, risking a little bit, you could get it on an impulsive sell entry right now and then set your stops above the previous candle here, which was 10 pips, which is not much at all. And then you could target to get quick 18 pips, right? So this is something quick, guys, quick like that. We have to be aware that every trade you take, right, you have to minimize your risk, okay, guys? You have to minimize your risk as much as possible. You don't want to be over trading, okay? Always manage your risk. We've got, okay, BB. Hey, Kunis. Good morning, Kunis. Super happy to have you here. But yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at, guys. Okay, so um, are you guys with me? You guys understanding that explanation that I have for USD/JPY? You know what I mean? This is something that you can get in quickly, but you have to understand that price could pull back in, and you know you have to just manage your risk. Okay, that's something that we have to keep that in mind. So narrow that up there. So that's what we can expect short term for USD/JPY. Did you guys understand that explanation, guys? If you did, smash that like button for me. If you are with me, understanding that explanation. Let's go. Let's go. Wait a second, guys. I don't know. The internet's just got pretty fast internet. Excuse me, guys. Anyways, welcome, welcome. Got a couple new members joining in, guys. Welcome to the family. Let's continue on. So that's kind of what we're looking at for USD/JPY. We've got Chetan here asking if we can take a look at US oil. So yes, so take a look at US oil. If you noticed, even on my previous live stream, I mentioned to you guys, I told you guys, we're at a major level of support here for oil. So what I was expecting for oil was oil to push back up and react to this level of structure, which it did. It held support. So you can see my arrows here. I expected price to go up, which it did. You can watch my previous live stream and see how I was able to spot that out. So it went exactly in our favor. Oil actually went exactly as predicted. Coming to this level structure, which is an important level to keep in mind where price has respected in the past. So if we kind of see where oil could potentially go down to, we do have to kind of factor in that it is retesting these highs right now. So we just have to kind of wait it out and see if it respects this level of resistance. I want to see oil respect this level of resistance, this level of structure. If we see rejection candles and we see a break of this level here, these highs over here, we can expect a continuation to this level here, to the downside, potentially even coming down to these lows yet again, pulling back down to here. That would be kind of my second target level here. We could form some sort of head and shoulders pattern formation, or it could just be price came up, pulled back, but then it came back to retest these highs, and then it just melts, right? Or it could just range for a bit. So right now, we're just kind of at that crucial deciding point, deciding position. So we just gotta wait and see what price does. If it's gonna form some sort of head and shoulders, if it's gonna create some sort of a double top. We just gotta wait it out and see, guys. We can't make any decisions now because technically, even right now, we're on the 15-minute time frame, and I don't see anything that will indicate to me, other than that we are at this high here, that we're looking for sells, or any indication to me that it's looking for buys. Until price pierce above this level of structure to the upside, then we can start looking for buy setups. But as of right now, I don't see anything happening anytime soon. But I will keep you guys in the loop for oil. See what ends up happening. Awesome, awesome. Welcome, welcome, guys. You guys enjoyed that explanation? You understanding that explanation? If you did, smash that like button. Also, put that fire emoji in the chat box below, guys. Come on, show some love, guys. Show some love. Put that fire emoji in the chat box below. Let's get it, guys. Yeah, JPY seems like it was a fake out. Price broke below, back into the range, but now it's breaking back up. So if we get a candle closure above here and we break these highs here, then we're looking for buy setups. Yeah, because now this is a fake out within the range. But we can tell that pretty much if we get a break above here, we can start looking for sure for buy setups at JPY. Or stop loss 26, 25 pips. Wait for this. Let's wait for price to close above some level structure. Then we can look for nice clean buy setups. Hey, let's go, Chetan. That's how we do it, bro. That's how we do it. Yes. Welcome, welcome. We got a couple new family members joining in. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the family. So, like I was explaining, guys, at JPY, we've been stuck in this range. You can see that this is the high of the range. Okay. We've got the high of the range here. We've seen a couple fake outs, price kind of trying to break above but failing. And then we can see that this is the bottom of the range here. price has been respecting the bottom as well too. Not only that, like I told you guys yesterday, it seems like price didn't want to push any further for CAD JPY. It seems like the Canadian dollar is starting to gain strength, and so we didn't want to push to the lows of this range further. We had that strong momentum push, we had the pullback. It seems like price, despite it wicking down below here and creating some sort of a fake out, because we thought, hey, you know, price could hold this level of support. And we said if it holds this level of support, we're looking for buy setups. Didn't hold this level of support, but it created this fake out and then price wicked back up, pushed back up. So that's a strong indication to us that, hey, you know, there's a potential continuation to the upside and price does not want to push down further. So as long as we break above these highs here, again, I'm being very conservative because if we get on bias right now and price starts coming back down, then, you know, you lose out. Right? We want to minimize our risk as much as possible. That's kind of what we want to focus on. Once we break this structure here, then we can look for nice clean buys. Look at the area here; it's clean, right, on the left-hand side. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for CAD JPY. So it's good to look at the markets, guys, and understand the overall direction of the market. Okay, smash that like button, guys, if you guys are understanding this and you enjoy these live streams. Also, guys, for those of you that are just joining in, if my voice sounds a little weird, it's because I'm actually sick, but I still have managed to come on live here and be with you guys and provide as much value as possible. So thank you for your patience. Hopefully I'll get better soon. But here I am, trying to support you guys as much as I can. So thank you so much, guys, for joining in. As you guys know, I'm here every single day at 7 a.m. live, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Euro JPY as well. It seems like we were stuck in this range, kind of price created some sort of a fake out to the downside, pushed up. We had that strong momentum push. Price came back and retested this level structure that we had pointed out. Now look at those clean buys here. 6 a.m. is already here. I see Euro JPY coming to these highs already. It's gonna go all the way up to the highs. Yeah. Still has a little bit more juice. A little bit risky to get in now, but we're talking about, oh yeah, we're talking about good, yeah. About 90 pips, guys. Let's go up to the 15. So she still has a little bit of juice. Obviously manage your risk, guys. Proper risk management always, but I see Euro JPY going to these highs for sure. That's my next target level for Euro JPY. So that could be a potential trade setup. A little bit risky. Your ideal entry would have wanted to be at least down here or down here. That's why I see I had buy setups above this level of structure. But okay. Yeah. It might pull back, mind you. It might pull back probably to around here and then continue to go up. Either way, we're looking for buy setup. So even if price comes down, starts pulling back to this level of structure, we can get in a nice clean entry here, down here. Then we target the highs over here, 135 pips. And then set our stop losses like 30 pips. That's a nice risk reward ratio. 4.2 as a potential trade setup. Right? So something to look at on Euro JPY. Clean structure after this range. So that's really nice setup. That was lining up. Welcome, guys. Welcome. If you guys are understanding that explanation, smash that like button for me, guys. Absolutely free, and it does support the channel, guys. So thank you so much. If you're enjoying these live streams, please let me know below as well. Let's go. Yeah, we could expect a pullback. Have to be aware of that. All right, guys. If you guys are understanding that explanation, leave me a fire emoji in the chat box below. Smash that like button if you're understanding what I'm explaining, guys. If you guys are understanding or you find it helpful, please smash that like button for me. As you can see, we are getting that pullback. Like I mentioned, look at that candle. It is rejecting now. It's starting to form that rejection already. So like I said, we can expect a pullback to this level of structure down here. And then that could be our perfect entry for buys on Euro JPY. So let's keep that in mind, guys. We'll see what price ends up doing. Obviously, nothing's 100%, but we can start looking for nice, clean buy setups above this level of structure. Kind of where I'm looking for buy setups. All right. Let's go, guys. All right, let's carry on. Next pair that we're going to look at is Euro USD. Euro USD, what's going on with Euro USD? Go to higher time frames. Okay. So we did expect price to push up. However, let's see what this level. So price to potentially come up and then go down. Yeah, I can see that. I gotta move it here. You can see my arrows here. We obviously were predicting price to pull up, which it is. 4 hour, you can see that price is pushing to the upside. However, if we're able to hold this level of resistance, so we can see price actually already start to fall below without actually coming up to these highs. If we get a rejection of this level structure, this area here, then we can look for a continuation to the downside. If we get a push, a strong momentum push to the upside, then we can start targeting at least like this level where price could react as a level of resistance where price comes back up. In the bigger picture, we are kind of just like in a pullback. We're expecting a nice clean pullback. At least, like I said, to this level of structure here. And then we could see potentially a continuation to the downside. So that's something that we're looking at, guys, for Euro US. However, if we got a strong momentum, we could see price come back all the way up here and retest these highs. But I don't really see that happening. I see price probably coming up to these highs here, ranging for a little bit, and then we can expect a continuation. And if price is able to respect that level structure, 4 hour. Yeah, same thing. So we've broken above. We're now holding this level of support. We could look or expect price to continue to push new highs. Kind of what I'm looking at, guys. You guys with me? Let me know if you're with me, guys. They're quiet today. Man, what's going on? You guys are just like sneaky there. You're just like watching. Let me know if you guys are understanding this explanation. Smash that like button if you are. I really do appreciate it, guys. Appreciate all the love and support. As you guys know, I'm here every single day, even sick. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome, guys. All right, let's continue on here. So that's kind of what I was looking at in terms of price there. So just give me 1 second here. Guys, hear me? Can you guys hear me? Let's go. Let's go. Seems like we got disconnected for a second. I just got a notification. So what pairs are you guys looking at? Let me know in the chat box below what pairs you guys are looking at. Let's go. Let's go. Got a quiet crowd this morning. Damn, guys. Stuff's knocking me out. Cold. All right, guys. So we're continuing on. So Euro USD, like I said, we're expecting it to come back and pull back. I'm expecting Euro USD to get a nice strong momentum push to the upside. Actually, retest these highs over here. So this level of resistance. Then we can see if price respects this level here of structure. We get rejection candle wicks, then we can expect to continue. That's kind of what I'm expecting for Euro US in terms of where price could be heading. Even in the 30-minute, you guys can see we've got that strong momentum bullishness. We just needed to break here. If it doesn't break this level structure, then we can look for price to actually create a double top, and it's actually not going to pull back all the way. But that's something that, excuse me, something we can expect. Continue on, guys. GBP US. So GBP US, we had a break below this level structure. Unfortunately, we got a retest. We were expecting price to come back down at this ranging market because we're ranging right now. We are, however, retesting the highs of this ranging area. So I could actually expect GBP US to start rejecting this level. If price rejects this level, we can look for a continuation of something. So it kind of validates everything, really. We're just looking for a rejection of this level high. We are getting some sort of a double top. So this will be an area anyways where price will react. Technically, it is the neckline if it is a double top formation. So if we get, like, for example, a rejection and then price creates another two candles pushing down, then that's like a double top formation. This is the neckline anyway. So price actually has to break below this neckline as a confirmation, trading more conservatively for us to look for a continuation. So that's kind of what we can expect for GBP US. Right down to the 15, we see that price is rejecting it once more. So if we start seeing like a nice bearish candle form, we can do like an aggressive trades, like a short setup, right? And then set our targets above previous candle wick, like 25 pips. And then we could set like our TP1s at these lows over here, which is 50 pips. And then we could set our second TP2s around here at 106. What I'm expecting for GBP US and GBP pairs, essentially. Probably GBPJPY is probably a similar situation. Yeah, so see, it's like creating some sort of a potential double top. However, we are kind of above, so it seems like price is actually breaking above for GJ. So we got that strong momentum push, we got the pullback, we retested this level structure, and then now look, we got a bullish candle. So I need this bullish candle to push above and close above. Then we can wait for another retest, then get on that retest for buys. Then we set our targets at these highs over here, for TP here. Yeah, so GJ, that's kind of what we can expect, even if we narrow it down to 30-minute. Yeah, see, so this is what I could expect potentially. Pull my fib, we got the strong push. Highs to lows rejection at 0.618. How much pips we? Yeah, that's like a 82 pip move, guys. So right? This would have been a nice clean entry up down here. Getting up here is a little bit more risky. Because yeah, that's a lot of pips. Set it low here, but the price problem is that yeah, it's way risky. The problem is that price could come back down once more, retest the 0.618 before it actually pushes to the upside, right? Telling you this based off of experience. Because I mean, you could get in here. Obviously, that's too aggressive, and unfortunately, it's too risky. 83 pip gain potential, but like if you set your stops like below here, you'll probably get whipped out. Even if you put like 40 pip stop, there's a good chance that price could come back down once more and retest this level of support down here. The 30-minute time frame, by the way. There's a chance price will come back down here before it pushes to the upside. You just gotta be aware of that, guys. This is what I call about managing your risk, doing proper risk management, right? Not just getting in a trade just to get in, just because it looks attractive or whatever, right? You gotta manage your risk, guys. You gotta, trade with caution, right? Not just get in to get in. Welcome, guys. Couple new family members joining in, guys. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell, guys. You get notified every single time we're live. Let's go. Welcome. Couple new family members joining in. Let's go. Yes, let's go. New members joining in. Let's go. If you guys understood that explanation, smash that like button for me, guys. Do me a huge solid and smash that like button. Let's go. Tricks, welcome to the family. Just subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Let me know down below in the chat box if you understood that, guys. Let me know in the chat box. You guys with me? We broke below this range, so we said if price breaks above this ranging area, we can expect a continuation to the upside. Break and retest, and price did not do that. Price actually broke below the range, came back, retested the range, then melted down further, and then it came back up. So check this out. Trying to see price hold this level support here. See what happens. Price is able to respect this level of support, and we break above these highs. We look for buy setup for US. Buy setups above this level structure, 29,691. Otherwise, yeah, I need to see price break above this level. Buy setups. Let's go. Welcome, guys. You guys understanding that explanation there I have for US 30, guys? I want to see price break above this level of structure. Right, we've been ranging. We're just stuck in this range. You can see that price range broke below and then came back up. Sometimes this is just like a fake out in the higher time frames. In the 4-hour, you could see that, right? And we're holding this level of support right now, so that's something to keep in mind as well. But we can expect some sort of a pullback potentially to this level structure or over here. US 30, we have been trending to the downside. We're in a bearish downward trend. Welcome, guys. All right, we got a couple new family members joining in, guys. Welcome to La Familia. Welcome, bienvenidos, guys. Welcome to the family, guys. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell. Don't forget the notification bell for those of you that are just new members. Hit that notification bell, subscribe, but also hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we're live. Let's go. I do surprise you guys sometimes in the evenings. So it's good for you guys to be on that notification so you know exactly when I'm on the evenings. Obviously, I'm here every day in the mornings. Welcome, welcome. Couple new members. Darlene, welcome to the family. Darlene has subscribed to the channel, to the family. Welcome. Darlene is looking to take her trading to new levels, so welcome. Guys, let's share the love. Can I get a smash of that like button? It's absolutely free to do, guys. If you guys are understanding my explanation here in the live stream, guys, smash that like button. Let's go. All right, let's take a look at odd US. Odd US. Look at buy setups, sell setups below setup structure. Let's clear the charts because it's a little messy now. Yeah, let's take a look here. Daily, we are holding this level of support on the daily, the weekly. Okay, so we have been trending to the downside. Okay, so we've been mainly looking for sells. Okay, however, this is a area of structure where I'm kind of looking at where price could pull back up to. Also right now where price is reacting right now, it is an area, ranging area where price is reacting to and respecting. Let's kind of go back up to the daily. Yeah, you can see price has respected price, and expect long term here on the daily. If we get a nice bullish candle here, we can look for a continuation to these highs over here. Let's go down to the 4-hour. So I want to see price hold this level here of support. Okay. Price is able to hold this level of support. I am looking for buy setups above this level of structure here. Okay, we're looking for buy setups above this level of structure for odd USD. You guys with me, guys? If you are, smash that like button. Also put that fire emoji in the chat box. Let's go, let's go. Put that fire emoji in the chat box, guys, if you guys are with me. Let's go. All right, so that's kind of what we're looking at there, guys. So odd US, we're looking for potential buy setups as long as price is able to respect this level structure. For our time frame, if this is engulfed over here and closes above previous candle, we can look for a continuation to these highs. 1 hour, again, looking pretty bullish. And in fact, it's kind of looking like an inverse head and shoulders pattern formation. So we've got, you know, the left shoulder here, got the head, got the right shoulder here. So that's kind of what we can expect for price to be doing. So we just got to kind of keep an eye out and see what ends up happening. Yeah. Like I said, a break above this level structure, start looking for buy setups. Want to see a nice strong momentum push to the upside, wait for the pullback, retest of this structure here. Guys, pierce above this level structure, wait for the retest to come back down, and look for more buys. Let's go, let's go. You guys are quiet today. Our Telegram group as well to join, guys. Absolutely free to join the Telegram group. Love to see you guys inside there. Free to join. Click the link in the chat box. It'll take you to our Telegram group, Lester's Academy. Let's go. All right. You guys understanding that for AUUSD, that's kind of what we can expect. Higher time frames looking like it's holding that level of support. Excuse me, guys. As you know, those of you that are just joining in, I am sick. I have a cold right now. I'm here. I managed to come here live, guys, to be able to provide you guys as much value to support you guys. So thank you for joining in, guys, and I appreciate the support as well and the love. So yeah, that's kind of what we're expecting. Want to see price break above this level structure. Start looking for buy setups. All right, let's continue on here. USD CAD. Let's see what's going on with USD CAD. Go up on the higher time frames here. So we've been even on the 4-hour, we've been trending to the upside. We've been pretty bullish past few like days and stuff like that, and months actually. So seems like price is starting to exhaust, starting to kind of take a break, right? So did get that strong momentum push and rejected that level of structure twice, and then we're now retesting once more. Seems like price is continuing to fall. I want to see price here on the 1-hour break below this level of structure for sell setup. We'll look for sell setups below this breakup structure. So anything that breaks below this level here, we can start looking for a nice sell setup. Wait for the retest, and then we can continuation downside probably to these lows down here at 35,127 for USD CAD. But right now it's just kind of reacting there. Even if we narrow it down a 30-minute, 15. Short term, we could probably see it just come back up here, probably retest once more, and then come back. What we're expecting there, guys. You guys with me? If you are, smash that like button if you're understanding what we're looking at here, guys. Let's go. Take a look at gold. Gold, we were looking at buys above this level of structure. We are getting our exact prediction, guys. Beginning of the live stream, I told you guys, let's be patient, guys. Let's see if price is going to come back up. That's about 104 pips potential. So, if this candle closes bullish, then I would suggest we look for potential buy setups for gold. Probably target, this first level around here range, and then probably these highs over here, which is about 104 pips. That's kind of what we're expecting anyways for gold. Let's go, let's go. Welcome to all the family members that are just joining us, guys. Welcome to La Familia. We come on live every single day, guys, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's get it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family. And hit that little notification. S&P 5, what is going on? So S&P 5, yeah, exactly. So pretty much what we have set up here. Looking for sell setups below this level of structure. Or any buy setups above this level of structure. But the way it's kind of looking to me right now, it looks like a nice clean sell setup. So you can see that this is a level structure up here. And then we've got another level structure down here. So S&P 5, guys, looking like a nice clean sell setup. Set our targets above here. And then it's a little bit risky, but oh yeah. I see price coming down all the way 300 pips. We'll leave that there. We'll see, guys. But it's already kind of going in our favor. We've got a this kind of area here. right? Even if I pull like my fib to .618, got our rejection at 0.50. Target levels are spot on, pretty much where I said it here. 400 pips. You guys see that? You guys see how I was able to spot that out there? Right, so we can target our TP1, could be the lows over here first. It's about 164 pips. Set our targets here, TP 340. Let's go, guys. How we draw it up, you know what I mean? We mark up our trade setups. That's how we look at the markets, you know what I mean? You guys with me? You guys understanding that? If you are, smash that like button for me. Also, guys, don't be shy. Comment in the chat box below. Leave that fire emoji for me. Let's go. Put that fire emoji in the chat box, guys. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. We're killing these markets. Not only that, I'm here to provide you guys as much value as possible. I want to teach you guys how to trade. I don't just want to tell you what I see in the markets. I want to teach you guys that you guys could do it on your own as well. As you know, my main motto is Forex trading simplified. I want to simplify your learning curve. I want to simplify your trading journey. So if you're looking to take your trading to new levels and you're looking to learn how to trade the most simplified way, make sure you guys join the family, guys, because if not, you're missing out. Also, don't forget to hit the little notification down there. So let's go, let's go. Yes, let's go. Angie fire, let's go. Let's put the fire emoji, guys. Let's kill this chat box. Come on, I know we got it. We got it. We got a solid team today. We got a solid family. But I need you guys to be feeling it, you know what I mean? Let's go. All right, so S&P 5, that's what we're looking at. We're getting that nice rejection, kind of like a double top on that pullback. We had that strong momentum push. Not only that, we were at the high. Look how price has rejected this level multiple times in the past. We had rejection, 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 fake out, rejection, rejection. And then what did we get? We got strong momentum to the downside. Okay. We pierced below this level of structure. Price came back up, and what did it do? It retested that level of structure twice. And now we're getting a rejection. Now what is happening with S&P 5? Look at this, guys. We are now officially in profits for S&P 5. We are currently up, if you would have gotten when I told you to, we're currently up 60, we are currently up 46 pips. Okay? 46 pips, guys. If you would have done a full lot, that would have been like at least like $460 in less than 10 minutes. Just like that. And I see price actually coming down and retesting these lows, at least these lows here. Look, we're already melting, exactly as predicted. So, guys, this is what I'm telling you. You know what I mean? I want to teach you guys this type of stuff so that you guys could do this on your own, okay? And this is the most important thing with trading. It takes time, patience, but when you're able to spot out these trades, you know, you're able to understand how to see the markets. You're able to understand basic market structure, and this is what's going to help you be successful in trading, right? If you want to see results, you want to be able to be consistently profitable. You want to manage your risk. There's going to be losing trades. We know that. Everyone has, as a trader, is going to lose at some point. You're always going to lose. Nothing's going to be ever 100%, or else everyone would be doing it, right? And so trading is rewarding. It's a really rewarding skill set to learn. Look, we're pretty much killing these markets already. We're up 119 pips. Literally 119 pips, guys. Come on. Let's go. We're already killing it right now. But it's definitely rewarding once you understand trading. I'll tell you that. So if you guys did you get in on that trade? If you did, or if you guys are liking this explanation, smash that like button. Let's go. It's absolutely free, guys. Let's go. Let's see what's going on with my music here. And those of you guys just joining in and wondering what's going on with my voice, obviously, as you know, I'm sick. I got sick. Still here for you guys. Still here. That's not stopping me from doing the live streams, guys. Here every single day to support you guys. See, you know, it's hit me pretty hard. So, all right. So let's see here. We're already up 115 pips. Let's go. All right. Let's move on, guys. Let's look at EuroCAD. EuroCAD, what were we looking at? Look at EuroCAD. Literally what we were predicting here. If we look at the 30-minute time frame, look at my arrows, right? My target was above this range here, which is already kind of going it's already halfway there. But we were looking down here and look at what price did. You see how I said strong momentum push, pull back, strong momentum push, pull back. Now look at this. Let's zoom in and see what price did. What do we see here, guys? Strong momentum push, pull back, strong momentum push. Exactly as predicted. Is it going to be perfect? Is it going to be textbook? Absolutely not. It's never going to be textbook, guys. Just keep that in mind. I remember when I first started trading, I thought it was going to look exactly like the textbook and perfectly pulling back. Price will do complex pullbacks. Understand that, guys. You know, price will never move as smooth as you'd like it to move, but you can at least, when you start getting more and more chart times in front of the charts, you get more and more familiar with being able to spot out these, bless you, being able to spot out these potential setups, right? So now we've got price kind of pulling back here, and now this is a level of support where price respect this level. So let me delete this now, and now let me mark up my next level of support where price could potentially pull back to kind of this area here. You can see that price has respected this level of structure in the past, right? So for EuroCAD, we can see, you know, support, support, support. We had a little bit of a fake out here, but look, price respected this level still, and it pushed back up, right? We've got resistance, resistance, a little bit of support, resistance, resistance, okay? Resistance here, and then we pierced above it. And then what happened? We rejected this level structure here, another level here where price reacted. As you can see, it's a level of resistance here too as well. Resistance, 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 and resistance. So we can expect a pullback to at least this level here. So we have that wick rejection, guys. So now that we're here on the 30-minute, if we narrow it down to the 15-minute, we can expect EuroCAD to actually potentially come back down to these. Is it smart to get in now? I mean, we do have this heavy wick rejection. I would like to see this candle close bearish. So just wait for it to close at least on the 30-minute candle to close. Once this 30-minute candle closes bearish, then I can start, even if we set up like a position here, right? We can kind of set our targets down here, you know, for like about 35 pips, 34 pips. We can set our stops like nice and tight. We could set like, you know, a 10 pip stop. This way, it's not that much of a high risk reward. Obviously, we'd like to see some sort of a double top. In an ideal world, we want to see a nice like double top formation. Excuse me. Or price create some sort of double top formation, range a little bit, and then create some sort of pattern, right? For us to confirm that price is going to push to the downside. So, I mean, that's what I'm saying. Do you see how I said wait for the candle confirmation? Do you see how price is starting to push back up again? This is why you don't get on impulse trades. This is why you have to be patient. Either way, this would be a good trade setup. Let's wait for that candle to close bearish, if it's going to close bearish, and then we can look for nice sell entries. You know, potentially getting into a trade where we could make anywhere between, I'd say 37 at most pips, and then we're only risking 10 pips. So that's a 3.5 risk reward ratio trade. Not bad at all, guys. So this is what I'm talking about. Nice clean setup. You know, a full lot or double full lot, like let's say 2 lots. So we're talking about over $700-800 less than, you know, a couple hours. So not too bad, not too shabby. That's how we can look at the markets, guys. So yes, I will be right back, guys. If you guys understood that, smash that like button if you like that explanation on EuroCAD, and I will be right back. So I'm gonna fill my water. 1 second. All right, guys, I'm back. Thank you so much for waiting. So we are getting that rejection there. You guys could see getting that rejection of that level of structure, as I mentioned before. All right, let's continue on. So that's something that we have an eye out for Euro CAD. We're expecting a pullback to this level of structure. So we shall wait and see what price ends up doing, guys. Take a look at gold. Gold went exactly as predicted in our favor to the upside. However, we got an instant rejection of this level of structure. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Even if we would have got our entries here, you know, something that we could have expected price to do potentially. So take a look at the news. NZD news. Governor speaks. Yeah, just had a little bit of US news as well. Okay, so that's our gold trade there. USD JPY, so it seems like it's still ranging and it's looking like it's probably going to retest this high. So that's good that we had to wait for a break below this level of structure, which I mentioned, for us to continue to sell. We might actually look at price probably retest these highs once more. Seems like that's what price wants to do. Probably form some sort of a double top formation before it actually comes down, potentially. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome, welcome. Couple new family members just joining in, guys. Welcome to the family, guys. All right. You guys understanding the explanation there? If you did, smash that like button. You guys know what to do. For you guys, let's destroy that like button. Let's go to GJ. Let's see what's going on with GJ. Seems like GJ is holding that level of support. Like I said, you guys remember I said, hey guys, price could come back one more time and retest these lows before it actually starts pushing to the upside. Remember I mentioned that? So we were like, okay, this could be an impulse entry. But I said, hey, there could be a chance that price could come back once more, which price typically almost always does that. It's not just going to pull back and then, okay, it goes all the way back up. Very rare to see that. We always have to see price kind of come back down and retest this level of structure probably multiple times, at least twice, 2 to 3 times before we can expect a continuation to the upside. This is the 15-minute time frame, by the way, guys, on GJ. No worries at all. Overall, kind of bias. As long as we hold and respect this level of support, we're looking for a nice clean move to the upside. And yeah, that's what we can expect. Probably like a nice entry would have been down here. But we'll just kind of keep an eye out and see what ends up happening, guys, for GJ. Same with GBP odd. About the 4 hours, so we're getting that bullish sentiment push retest of these highs. Kind of my next target level for GBP odd is these highs over here, where MC price probably come up to. And then, yeah, anything below this level here of structure, I'm looking for sells for GJ. And then anything above this level here, I'm looking for buys. Long term, and then short term, anything above, pretty much anything above this level here, we can start looking for buy setups as well too for GBP odd. Obviously, even here was a good entry down here because we could see that this was a level of structure here. Price held this level of support. We had that strong momentum push, pull back. Price kind of retested and held this level of support here. So that's another area as well where I can target. We're talking about, even if we get in now, talking about 119 pip move, 125 pip move to the upside. And then, so if you were to get in something like now or wait for price to kind of pull back a little bit to this level, we could target like our first TPs. TP1 would be this level structure, 60 pips, or to potential 151 pips. Set your stops below this level of structure here. You could like a stop loss of about 45 pips. That would be something I'd be looking at for GBPJPY. It's the 15-minute time frame, by the way. Is that understood? You guys understanding that? Let me know if you guys understood that explanation there. Let's go, let's go. Got something nicely lined up there for GBP odd, GJ as well. GBP US, again, we want to see price respect this level of structure for potential sell setups. That's his price is able to respect this high of the range. This is the high of the range. You can see that price has respected this level of structure. If we get price to respect this level of structure, we can start looking for sell setups. But I need price to respect it. If price pushes above, then we're looking at either a fake out or we want to see a strong momentum push, and we want to see that candle close above, and then we want to wait for the pullback or that retest of the structure, and then we can start looking for buy setup. Euro US. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, looking for a potential pullback to these levels over here. Long term, short term, it really depends what price does right now. 4 hours kind of looking like weak, very weak. Yeah, so price is rejecting this level here. If we get a break below this area here, then this is like a level structure right here. If we get break below that, we're looking for sells. Or US. Sell setups below that level structure. And then obviously this is like longer term, and then 15-minute. I think anything below this level structure here, start looking for sells as well. And let's see how much of a got. Not much, but we're talking about 44 pips, and then potentially kind of retest the lows down here, 145 pips. And then we can set our stops above previous candle, about 38 pips. Again, that's a little bit more of a higher risk trade, but something we could look at. Let's go. You guys understanding that? Let me know in the chat box if you guys are understanding that breakdown. Let me know. Don't be shy, guys. We're still here. We're still grinding. Welcome, welcome. Couple new family members just joining in, guys. Welcome. All right, so Euro JPY, we were waiting for that retest. You guys saw I said if price reacts to this level of structure, we could expect some sort of a pullback. Price is going to exhaust. We're getting that retest. This is our entry, guys. Euro JPY. We're on the 15-minute time frame. We got the pullback we wanted, and now it is 8:42 a.m. We're getting that rejection. That's what we want. So let's kind of zoom in here a little bit. Live in the flesh, guys. Set our entries here. Set our stops probably below here. So we've got about a 25 pip stop. Okay. And then we want to set our targets above here. So let's see, let me pull my fib. So it's got lots of potential to the upside, but realistically, let's target here, this level here. So that's about 82 pips. Okay. So this is a clean example. Let's go up to the 4-hour of price respecting this level here down here. We had a range here for quite some time. Then price broke above, respected this level of support, right? And we've got this strong push. Look at this strong momentum push. We got the pullback here. Price rejected, price is pushing up and now broke above these highs here. So that's an indication to me that price has still a little bit more juice to the upside, actually to this level of structure up here. So let me just clear this because it's all very like so much going on with the charts. But I think you guys, are you understanding what I'm saying here, guys? Are you understanding that? Right? So we respect this level of structure here as a level of support. Okay, you can see that level of support here, double bottom. We have that strong momentum push here. Okay, strong momentum push. We had that pullback, retested this level structure down here. Now what did we get? We got that strong momentum. Now we're getting a retest of this high here. As long as price is able to respect this level here and it holds this level of support, I can expect Euro JPY to continue to push to the upside. Obviously, like we're getting in really early here because the candle hasn't even finished closing. It could melt down below. But again, we're just kind of assuming that price is going to respect this level. Obviously, we never assume. We look at probabilities in the markets, right? The trade could keep melting to the downside. We do have to be aware of that. We just need to see probably this candle close and then the next candle to be bullish. Once we start seeing the next candle close bullish, or this one close with a nice wick rejection of this level structure. So do you see that? Okay, so we got that close. Do you see that wick candle rejection now? So now price could do one or the other. Price would come back down, fill this wick here a little bit, and then push back up and start creating a bullish candle formation, or it could pierce below this level of support. So yeah, see what I'm telling you about piercing? It's literally going through a level. So that's something that we do have to keep in mind, right? So this is kind of like a potential area for price to respect. So this is kind of where I want to see price respect this level structure. If it fails to break this level structure, then we're not looking for buys. It invalidates our buy setup. Okay. Initial push here. Yeah, we might get like a nice deep pullback, like a complex pullback. Yeah, that makes more sense. So targets reach above here. That makes much more sense. So as long as price actually respects this level here, this main area here, then we can look for buy setups. Keep an eye out on that, guys. It's good we didn't get in yet, but that's just an example showing you in person, in the flesh, kind of how I'm looking at the markets, right? That's why we always want to wait for confirmation candles, right? Now it's starting to wick. That's cool, but let's wait for that confirmation. We'll probably get a wick rejection here, 0.50, get some sort of rejection. But the next candle, we do want to see a strong push, bullish candle, or we just want to see rejection. That's what we want to see. Price respect this level of structure. If price does not respect it, this invalidates this entire trade, okay? So that's how we're able to confirm if we're getting wicked out, if this is a solid trade setup, etc., 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 right? So something to keep in mind. Obviously, this will be probably a longer term trade. So will be pullbacks within this trade so that we can get in on the pullbacks. But I'll keep an eye out on this pair here. Did you guys understand that explanation? If you did understand that explanation, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's go. We're at 9 right now. Smash that like button. All right, we've got Siraj. Siraj, welcome here, man. Welcome to the family, Siraj. We've got, hey, US 30, please. Yeah, let's take a look at US 30, my friend. I think US 30, I was looking at, yeah, so we're looking at buy setups above this level of structure. Price kind of broke below. It's retesting this level of support. 4 hours seems like price is still holding this level of support for US 30. Like higher time frames, we're still, if you look at it, we've been trending to the downside, right? So, but however, we are at this kind of major level of structure. See it right there, right? So if we pierce below this level, then we're looking for a continuation of sales for US30. But it did pierce below this level, which we thought was a good level. But here's the next level where price could react. It seems like it is holding this level of support. So as long as price holds this level of support, we could start slowly looking for buy setups for US30, but we need to see confirmations. So now that we're on the 4-hour time frame, we got a bearish 4-hour time frame candle here close. Then we've got a bearish candle here right now. I mean, if price disrespects this level, then we can target the lows of here for US30 and potentially create new lows. But as of right now, I want to see price hold this level of support, reject this level here, create some wick rejections, and then we can target these highs here as TP1 and then TP2 above these highs. So that's kind of what I'm expecting for US30. It's kind of just, in the meantime, we're just kind of stuck in this kind of consolidation area here. So nothing yet for US30. And then even short term, if we narrow it down to like the 15-minute time frame, you can see we're just trending sideways, consolidating, right? There's a consolidation market, not trending upwards, we're not trending downwards, right? So we don't want to be in this trend right now. We don't want to be in a trade here, guys. Okay. Some people might do something where like, okay, now price is retesting this level of support twice. I'm gonna get on buys here. I mean, you could, but it's very risky. You have to understand, especially US30. You know what I mean. You gotta be very smart with how you trade, right? US30. So that's kind of my outlook there, Siraj. Let me know if you understood that. If you guys understood that as well, too, guys. Smash that like button. Also put a fire emoji below, guys. Let's get some love here, guys. Come on. Put that nice fire emoji in the chat box if you guys understood that US30 explanation as well. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We got a couple new family members joining in, guys. Don't forget to hit that little notification bell, guys. You get notified every single time we're live. Let's go. You guys know we're here every day, but sometimes I do surprise you guys in the evening. So if you guys want to know when I surprise you guys in the evenings, pre-London session, make sure you guys join the family. Also, if you guys are looking to take your trading to the next level, you've come to the right community and the right channel, guys. So let's go. Also have a free Telegram group. Make sure you guys join the Telegram group. It's Blessed Traders Academy. Absolutely free to join. I will share the link with you guys in the chat box right now. To join the Telegram group, I do share with you guys, and you're able to kind of share your ideas and analysis in that Telegram. Raj, thanks, understood. Hey, no worries, man. All right, let's continue on. So that's kind of what we're looking at right now. Like I said, so in the bigger picture, remember, we're ranging. What happens when we're in a ranging market? When we are in a ranging market, we are always, and I tell you guys this, I teach you guys this always, we are looking for a breakout, right? So clearly right now we are stuck in this range. We're trending sideways. We're not trending upwards, we're not trending downwards, we're just trending sideways. So we are looking for a breakout either to the upside above this level of structure here, to the downside below this level of structure down here, right? So as of right now, like I said, right now price is just kind of stuck in the range. Excuse me. Oh, Bitcoin. We had a breakout. We had this wedge pattern formation here. We had that breakout. Exactly as predicted. We were expecting some sort of breakout. We got a pullback. However, this is very extreme in Bitcoin's case. Price came back up, retested this level of structure here, and then it melted below right back down. So yeah, so right now, what can we expect for Bitcoin? Let's clear the charts here. Take a look at the daily. So after a strong push to the downside, after we had price kind of break below this level of structure, we kind of started getting into this range. So this is the high of the range here, you can see it, and then this is the low of the range down here. It's kind of where price is holding right now, okay? So again, what do we look for in a range, right? We can trade the bottoms and the highs of the range with caution, right? But it's not the ideal market we want to be trading in, right? So kind of if we narrow it down on the 4 hour, it makes matters worse. Look at this. So price is still trending, ranging sideways. We're still looking for a breakup. So I want to see price for Bitcoin break above this level here. If we see a push above this level of structure, then we're looking for buy setup. So I'm talking about once we see Bitcoin break above $20,056, we could start looking for nice clean buy setups, probably targeting even around 22,574. But we need to see price break above this level structure. Same thing down here. So if Bitcoin actually breaks below this range here at around 18,436, then we can start looking for nice clean setup, sell setups for Bitcoin as well. So these are kind of my marked off areas, kind of what to expect. Yeah, so we're just kind of, I wouldn't even look into trading Bitcoin right now because it's just stuck in this ranging sideways trend. It's just consolidating right now. It's not your ideal market you want to be trading in, guys. So hope you guys are understanding that and how we're able to spot out the market, how we're able to spot if we're trending upwards or downwards or sideways. You know, this is really important. I am Yo says, I like the way you trade though. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Like I said, I try to teach you guys and provide you guys as much value as possible and just teach you a more simplified approach. The problem is a lot of traders, when I first started, I've been in the game for about 6 years now. A lot of problem, a lot of, a lot of the situation that happens right now with traders is that they overcomplicate things, right? And so they add in all these indicators, they change the names on certain stuff. And the way I see it is like basic market structure. This is how I was able to spot out trading and being able to simplify my approach with trading was when I started to really just look at the charts. If you look at this, this is clean. I don't have a bunch of indicators everywhere here and this and that. And now, you know, having indicators is fine. You know what I mean? You can have like simple moving averages. You can have the 20 SMA. You can have the 50 SMA. You know what I mean? Because they can help you dictate at least kind of where price is, you know, where price has been moving for the past 50 candles, 20 candles, etc. Right? So it indicators, there's nothing wrong with it. But the problem is when you overcomplicate it and depend on indicators for you to dictate the potential direction of the market. The way you want to dictate the potential direction of the market is by looking at basic price action, basic market structure. And that's what I teach you guys in all of my live streams and everything I do. I always teach you guys a simplified approach. And this is what's going to get your trading to that next level. I'm telling you guys, this is what's going to help you guys become consistently profitable once you start looking at the markets the way I teach it. You know what I mean? I'm not saying this is the perfect way or the only way, but this is what really helped me take my trading to new levels and actually really have a much better understanding of what the market is currently telling us, right? Because the market's a language, guys. I'm telling you guys this, it's a complete language. So it's really cool being able to finally understand this language in the markets. So yeah, take a look here. So gold ended up actually going exactly as predicted. To this level high here, if we would have got in here, we would have caught about 57 pips. Obviously, we're expecting probably gold to come up higher. However, you know, you can see that we did have some US news. Gold kind of came back down exactly to this level of structure. So I would kind of stay away from gold right now. Just too much going on. It needs to cool off. Welcome, guys. We got okay. So see this here now. We're now getting multiple rejections at this high over here. So once we break below this level structure on USD JPY, we're on the 15-minute time frame. We're gonna start looking for sell setups below. Once we break below this level structure, which is kind of what we were predicting anyways. Do you see that? Because my arrow was down here. I wanted to see price break below this level structure for a continuation to the downside. Once we get it break below, we will most likely get a retest, which price will pull back, retest this highs over here, this level of structure, and then we can expect a continuation to the downside for USDJPY. You guys understanding that? Let me know in the chat box if you guys are understanding that explanation, guys. Let's go. That's what we're looking at for USDJPY, guys. Welcome, welcome. Couple new members joining the family right now. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys. Okay, is there any pairs you guys are looking at before we call it a day or a morning? I'm gonna wrap it up for now, guys. Let me know if there's any pairs you guys want me to look over before I leave. I gotta get some rest, guys. As you guys can hear my voice, I am sick, but you know what I mean? I said, you know what? I can't leave you guys. I want to help you guys. I want to support you guys. And so I'm here. Even though I'm sick, I'm still here, guys. Been here since 7 a.m. So, let me know before I head on out, guys. Call it in the morning. Let me know if you want me to look at any pairs specifically. Otherwise, let's go. JPY. Yeah, so it seems like JPY is still. Yeah, so we want to look for buy setups above this level of structure. Came back into this range. So we were thinking it would probably break above, but no. So it's back in this range, guys. So look at this. This is the high of the range here. This is the low of the range. We're just trending sideways. Okay, we had somewhat of a fake out. Price almost kind of confirmed it was going to continue to go higher, but it didn't. Came back down, and now it's pushing back down again. So CAD JPY, we're still stuck in this range. I see CAD JPY probably with the next candle close actually coming back down. Yeah. Oil also went in our favor there. Anything below this level of structure, we're looking for sell setups, which we're pretty much there retesting. So if we break above this level, we're not looking for sell setups anymore, guys. Not looking for sell setups if we break above this. Let's go, let's go. Smash that like button, guys, if you understood that. Did you understand that explanation, that analysis? Smash that like button if you did, guys. NZD CHF ranging. Euro CHF. Oof, so choppy. That's brutal. Still trending sideways. It's just consolidating, guys. This is horrible. That's horrible, guys. How do you trade that? You can't. You're just gambling at that point. Players. NZD US. Okay, nice. So we got that rejection here, guys. We were looking at price rejecting this level of structure, which it did. We got that nice clean rejection here. If we get a break below this level of structure here, you can see a continuation of sells. Price continuing to sell to this level low here, and that's pretty much a good range. We're on the 30-minute time frame. If price breaks below this level of structure, we're talking about a 90 pip move. Let's go. All right, guys. So thank you so much for joining in, guys. Make sure you guys follow me on all my socials at PedroFX Official on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and so on. Also, make sure you guys join our free Telegram group. The link is in the video description as well as in the chat box below. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I appreciate you guys. I might surprise you guys in the evening, but you won't know until those of you that are already subscribed will know. You'll be notified if I do surprise you guys pre-London session. I might surprise you guys. I do come in live, as you know, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. every single day, Monday through Friday. Chat then we've got EJ entry triggered. Look, caught me almost at the end. EJ entry triggered. Let's take a look here. 15-minute. Let's see. Yeah, so see how it's that next candle is now bullish. Okay, so here's the deal. So this is good because the entry is nice and low. So even if price continues to go down below, hear me out, guys. If price continues to go below and breaks below this level here, especially here, do you see that's a level of support? If this candle ends up going bearish and breaks below, and let's say our stops are just down here, make sure that you guys already take partial loss. Take part of it so that your loss isn't as heavy, okay? That's called managing your risk. Okay, so if we see that this candle starts turning bearish and it starts going down further, like already just a tad bit below, close off half of your trade. That way you can manage risk and manage your loss. That way it's not that big of a loss. You can take probably like 70% or 50%. It's totally up to you. Getting in on right now, yes, right now could be a good potential entry because it's already low. So you're managing your risk. You know, if price goes against you, you're only going to be risking about 30 pips, right? So we put our 30 pip stop, and then we set our targets above here. We're looking at about 133 pip move. Obviously, it's going to take some time, right? Even on the 15-minute time frame. We could probably, I'll let you guys know in the Telegram group, target the highs over here, which is about 57 pips. Roughly. So you're risking about 30 pips to make about 57 pips, right? So it's about a 1.8 risk reward ratio. Like I said, right? Manage your risk, guys. Please do not, this is not financial advice. Please do not trade money you're not willing to lose. But this is kind of a setup that we may be looking at. And the potential TP2s could be above this level here at this level of structure at about 130 pips. I'll keep you guys in the loop, kind of what we're looking at for Euro JPY, okay? Thanks so much, guys. Thanks for joining in. I will catch you guys until next time. Like I said, we're here every single day, Monday through Friday. I see a couple of people joining in, so we're here every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. To surprise you guys also in the evenings. So make sure you guys join the family. Like, if you're not, you guys are missing out on a lot of value, guys. I'm telling you, a lot of value. I'm here every single day providing you all my time, you know, as much. I'm even sick right now. You can probably hear my voice. Those of you that are new or just joining in, I'm you know, trying to recover, but so yeah. I hope you understood that, Chet, then that explanation on Euro JPY. We are getting that reaction. We just got to hold that level of support. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Gold is pushing back up. I see probably gold coming back up and retesting the highs again. Yeah. Because it's holding this level of support right here. Right. So buy setups above this level of structure. We did get on buy setups here. Kind of what we were looking at anyways. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, if you enjoyed this live stream, leave down below a fire emoji, guys. That lets me know you guys did enjoy this live stream, guys. Appreciate it. Leave me a nice fire emoji down below in the chat box. Let's go. All right, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I will catch you guys tomorrow at 7 a.m. as always. But also, I may surprise you tonight. We'll see. No promises, but we might surprise you today. So thanks so much, guys, for joining in. I will catch you until next time.